If you're thinking about buying your first home in Calgary, it can feel exciting and overwhelming at the same time. There's a lot of information out there and it's not always clear where to start or what order things should happen in. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the home buying process step by step so you can understand what to expect and feel more confident moving forward. Hi, I'm Jenna Bole. I help buyers and families navigate the Calgary real estate market with clear, practical guidance. If you're early in your journey, this video will give you a solid foundation and help you avoid some of the most common mistakes first-time homebuyers make. Let's start at the beginning. Step one is getting super clear on what you actually need in a home. Before you start seriously looking at listings, it's important to understand what will work for your lifestyle both now and a few years from now. This includes things like location, commute, proximity to schools or amenities, the type of home, number of bedrooms, layout, and overall budget. A lot of buyers start by saving homes online, which is a great way to learn your preferences, but the real value comes from narrowing that down into clear must-haves and nice-to-haves. This step matters more than people think. When you're clear on your priorities early on in the process, the entire process becomes more focused and much less stressful. Step two is getting pre-approved for a mortgage. This is one of the most important early steps because it helps you understand what price range is realistic and what your monthly payments might look like. A pre-approval also strengthens your position once you're ready to make an offer. In a competitive market, sellers want to feel confident that a buyer is financially prepared, and having the pre-approval in place helps create that confidence. It's also helpful because it gives you clarity. Rather than guessing what you might be able to afford, you'll have the real numbers to guide your decisions. Step three is building the right team around you. Buying a home involves several professionals, including your real estate agent, your mortgage specialist, a home inspector, and a lawyer. Having experienced, trustworthy professionals guiding you can make a significant difference in how smooth the process feels. A good team helps you stay organized, informed, and supported at each stage. Step four is beginning your home search in a strategic way. Most buyers start online. It's important to understand that not every opportunity is visible there, and not every listing is as straightforward as it appears. This stage is all about viewing homes, refining your criteria, and learning what feels right in real life and not just on a screen. Many buyers adjust their expectations once they begin seeing properties in person, and that's completely normal. The goal is not to rush. It's to make an informed decision that aligns with your long-term plans. Step five is making an informed offer when you find the right home. This is where preparation and guidance become especially important. An offer is not just about price. It includes terms such as conditions, deposit structure, a closing timeline, and sometimes additional considerations depending on the property type. Understanding market value, recent comparable sales, and the seller's situation can all influence how an offer is structured. The goal is to create an offer that protects your interests while still being competitive. Step six is the conditional period. If your offer is accepted with conditions, this is the time to complete all the important checks before the purchase becomes firm. So this may include a home inspection, final mortgage approval, condo document review if applicable, and other assessments depending on the property. This stage is designed to give you confidence in your decision. It allows you to verify that the home meets your expectations and does not present any unexpected risks. Step seven is preparing for closing day. Once conditions are removed and the sale becomes firm, the focus shifts to logistics. This includes working with your lawyer, arranging for home insurance, preparing your down payment and closing costs, setting up utilities, and organizing your move. Closing day itself is often more administrative than emotional. Funds are transferred, legal ownership changes, and once everything is formalized, you receive the keys to your new home. When you look at the process overall, it can feel like a lot. But once you break it down into clear steps, it definitely becomes more manageable. Most successful buyers are not the ones who know everything up front. They're the ones who stay informed, ask questions, and take each step with intention. If you're early in the process and you want a clear roadmap you can follow at your own pace, I've linked our buyer guide below. It walks through each stage in more detail and is a great starting point if you're considering buying here in Calgary. And if you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe. I share regular guidance to help buyers and families make confident real estate decisions in the Calgary housing market. Thanks so much for being here. I'll see you in the next video.